course, I've got Lucia Pekarova, our Slovakian tour guide. She's not from Bratislava, but she still knows what's what around here. What are we going to eat, Lutz?
Brinzové halušky. Potato gnocchi with sheep cheese, very salty.
Isn't there like a Slovakian cola you told me about? Are we going to be able to find one of those?
Yeah, Kofola, it's everywhere. Every pub has it.
Brinzové halušky, and then after a Kofola, and we'll see if we find any treats along the way. Hey there, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and keep the Stef Pazzo must-eat content coming. Thanks. They gave me the English menu, no surprise. So we're gonna have some pickled hermelin, which is like a soft, crusted French-style cheese. Potato dumplings with brinza, pierogi with brinza, and ostiepok, smoked sheep cheese, and strapaki, potato dumplings with sauerkraut, all topped with fried bacon.
It's all made from like very similar dough, potatoes.
A double dumpling delight with a cheese starter. So, as I couldn't put my finger on it, we've done the deep dive on this sucker. Kofo syrup, which is the main ingredient of Kofola, consists of 14 herbal and fruit ingredients. Kofola, the drink that made me find love. So here we have our first dish, raw chopped leek. And you see this piece of cheese like a camembert. It's a hermeling, pickled. If it's pickled, it's clearly some sort of vinegar sugar concoction. I asked Lutz if this is going to be hot, and she said maybe a little bit. Probably sour more than hot. By French rule, you always eat cheese with bread. So I gotta put cheese, touch the tongue first. It's definitely less soft than it would be if it wasn't pickled. I don't know, it's delicious. Breadless, just the cheese and the potentially sour pepper. That is pickled. The pepper is pickled too. Amazing combo. Get a nice crunch, contrast in flavor. This is the main attraction here. Little dumplings. It looks like you could almost confuse it as like a risotto just looking at it, but they are little potato dumplings. They're way tinier than a gnocchi. These are our filled dumplings.
Yeah, they are filled with brinza, the cheap that is on top, but they are filled with it, and also ostiepok, which is like a smoked cheese, traditional also in Slovakia.
Smoked cheese. So we've had fermented cheese or pickled cheese, now smoked cheese, and this last one.
Yeah, is the same, but also with sauerkraut.
So like we got some sauerkraut on there, some cabbage. So I'll start at this end. Lutz thinks this one's probably gonna be good, but those two will be better. Gnocchi, easy to eat, soft and chewy. Sauerkraut sticks out, acidic. Bacon, nice and greasy and super flavorful as expected. Number 2. It's only cheese. Okay, that's only cheese. My mouth will be the judge of that. I mean, I've never had a pierogi in Eastern Europe, so that's my first time. And dumpling with the cream sauce and the bacon. This is the main course. Big expectations now, Lutz. And expectations achieved. Comfort food to the max. Fall, winter, early spring dishes. They meld into the sauce. Let's destroy this plate. You ask questions, you get answers. Putting the dough into like a large hold sieve and like pushing it through with like a wooden stick so it doesn't hold like just like a hard structured form. It's kind of like broken dough. So that is how they make the halušky. Halušky? Halušky. We're gonna have the dessert, which in English is homemade potato dumplings with grounded walnuts or poppy seeds, and I'm assured we're going with the poppy seeds. What do we call this?
Šulance, because you roll them and šulať is rolling.
Dessert has arrived here. You could be confused that was pepper on your dessert. This must be icing sugar on the top. It's not cocaine, that part already confirmed. It's warm. Warm, soft, icing sugar, sweet. And the poppy seed, that's a beautiful sweet flavor. Yeah, that's nice. Those are definitely toasted poppy seeds. The main now you see like there's the poppy seed exterior, but there's also like a poppy seed sauce. And I think it's probably just sugar, crushed poppy seeds,
Sometimes we put butter on top.
and butter. Oh wow. Oh yeah. And because this is warm, it's kind of like gooey. Like the bite like squashes it out. It's really nice in the mouth. There is good mouth feeling going on. I don't want anything to do with walnut when I've got this poppy seed in front of me. It's like wonderful goodness, warm, wonderful, gooey goodness. What's the prognosis? Is there gelato nearby?
We need to go the other way.
Can we go in the other direction?
Time.
No.
No time.
Shitballs. All right. It's been a wonderful time in Bratislava. We're going to take this cutie to Kuti, and then that'll be the end of our Slovakian tour. Thanks, Lutz.
Thank you.